This video contains about 7 social media lower thirds templates you can use in your videos. I have taken a full HD sequence here. Go to File and Open Project. Navigate to the downloaded folder and open the project. The project file contains social media lower thirds for YouTube, X, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, even for email and for website. Double-click on one of the templates to see the preview. To edit the text, double-click on the middle clip. Your handle name can be edited here. Now, in order to apply the templates to your videos, you can highlight and copy all the clips. Go to your sequence and paste it on top of your video. Or you can just drag and drop it on top of your videos and edit it from there. Same procedure can be applied to all the templates. Please note that this template works with 2022 Premiere Pro and above versions, and I have provided a way to download it for free in the video's description below.